We at Brigham Young University have created a volumetric display that is both high resolution and full color. It is very much like the displays of science fiction. We started this project with the goal in mind of creating the Princess Leia projection. Often when we think of an image that's floating in space that's 3D, we think of a hologram. But really, a hologram cannot make the Princess Leia image, or the Avatar table, or the Iron Man display. A 3D image that floats in air that you can walk all around and see from every angle. This image is called a volumetric image.
Essentially, it's an image that is taking up three-dimensional space. We're actually using a laser beam to trap a particle, and then we can move that particle and create the image.
We get a particle into the trap by sweeping through the focus. See a little particle like that? It's now trapped, and it's dragged along with the scan of the mirrors, and while it's trapped, laser light will hit that particle, and that would glow because there's all this light scattering off of it. And this is not unlike the effect you'll see with a sparkler. If you move it quickly enough, it doesn't look just like one point, it looks like a line. We can think about this image like a 3D printed object. A single point was dragged sequentially through all of these image points to create this 3D image in space. This display is like a 3D printer for light. You're actually printing an object in space with these little particles. This is not a hologram. We've demonstrated here that we can see it from the front, we can see it from the back, and in reality we can see it from almost any angle. Here we see the culmination of 3 years of effort. Our display is projecting a small particle focused right here. It's being dragged up and down, vertically rastering this image of Princess Leia. The contribution BYU has made is that we're providing a method of making a volumetric image that can essentially create the images that we imagine we'll have in the future. The future won't be the future without a Princess Leia projector, and this can make that a reality.